Hi, now we are here at Juhkentali 52. Let's take a look. So here is the living room, kitchen, spacious kitchen with a dishwasher, fridge, freezer, everything you need, and a normal oven. So that is the kitchen. Spacious living room area with a fold-away couch. And the view now is 4 o'clock. It's quite a sunny day with this kind of balconies. And the old town and city center are this way. This is Kalev Panorama buildings. And here you have also a view to the high rises. I don't know if you can see them over there. So from here, let's go to the living room, bedroom. Here is the bedroom. Spacious bed. Today is quite a sunny day. Have a wardrobe and another, how it's called, French balcony with more or less the same view. Very quiet apartment. And from here, let's go to the bedroom. No bedroom, the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Washing machine, sink, water closet, and a bathtub. I like apartments with bathtubs. Okay, from here we are going to go to see the storage spot and the parking. So let's go. So the storage spot is right here on the same floor. Quite spacious. It's pretty dark, I don't know. There's no light here. And let's go to the parking. We have a very comfortable parking area. You can go straight with an elevator. You open the parking with the remote. There is an alarm system. Okay, now the parking is disarmed and the parking spots are here. There are 2 parking spots, but with this apartment we are selling 1. These are quite wide parking areas. Parking 18 and 19. And let's walk through so you can see the way in and out. Now it's pretty dark. Okay, here is the way out. You can see the doors are wide enough, and parking spots are comfortable in Estonia. because of the long winter. Okay, but that's it. The apartment building from outside looks like this. If you're interested, all the details are in the description below. See you.